Hi guys, if you have lost your Vizio TV remote or it suddenly stopped working, you can still connect it to your TV to your Wi-Fi using a few alternative methods. So in this guide, you are going to learn the fastest way to reconnect your Vizio TV without needing the original remote. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply download your Vizio application on your phone from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now, this works best if your TV was previously connected to Wi-Fi and your phone is on the same network. So when you open the application, you just have to look for the TV in the device list. Now, once it is connected, you will see this type of interface in front of you where you are going to see your virtual remote containing all the buttons available. So now you just have to open the menu button using these buttons over here. Then inside the menu, look for the option of network, and then you can look for the option of the Wi-Fi setup. After that, you can reconnect the TV normally. Now, many of the Vizio TVs still include the physical buttons on the side panel. So you can also take a look at the bottom panel, and you can take a look at the edges and the rear control of the TV. You can use the input volume and the menu buttons in order to navigate manually. So that method also works the same. Thank you.